Coding is the primary language of technology, and learning to code enables you to create and innovate across all industries. From automating everyday tasks to creating revolutionary software, coding is essential in today's society.
Coding involves writing algorithms and commands using programming languages such as Python, Java, HTML, and many others. These instructions form the basis of various software, websites, and applications that we use daily.
Coding fosters problem-solving skills, creativity, logical thinking, and attention to detail. It also opens up career opportunities in technology and related fields where skilled coders are in high demand and command high salaries.
Take advantage of online resources like Codecademy, Udemy, or YouTube tutorials. You can also join a coding community to share ideas and get help when needed. Starting with a beginner-friendly language like Python or HTML is a good way to dive in and start coding.